Lotlot de Leon, may madamdamin at nakakaiyak na pamamaalam kay Mamita Pilita Corrales. Sobrang nakakatouch at nakakaiyak ang ibinahaging post ni Lotlot de Leon sa kanyang social media account sa pagpanaw ng kanyang dating mother-in-law na si Miss Pilita Corrales. Ayon kay Balot, she loved her family like there's no tomorrow. She would move heaven and earth just for them, for Ate Jackie, for BJ, for Mon, and most definitely for her grandchildren. She's the kind of grandmother anyone would wish for. And I know that if she can just give and give her family with so much more, she would. Everything that belonged to her. In a heartbeat, she would pass on to those who are precious to her. Her family was her number one. My children are very blessed to have and receive that kind of love. For that I am truly, truly grateful. Rest in paradise, Mamita. A million thanks to you. Agad namang nagkomento si Jericho Rosales ng 3 white hearts emoji. At nagkomento rin si Janine Gutierrez, love you mama. Sinagot naman ito ni Lotlot de Leon ng at Janine Gutierrez, love you anak. Nagkomento naman si Jackie Lou Blanco, love you tita. I love you. Sinagot din naman ito ni Lotlot at sinabing at Jackie Lou Blanco, I love you Ate Jackie. Nagkomento rin ang anak na Jessica Gutierrez, love you mama, at sinagot naman ito ni Balot ng Jessica CDG, love you nak. Nagkomento rin si Max D. Gutierrez, love you mama. Sinagot din ito ni Miss Lotlot ng at Max Gutierrez, love you anak. Nagkomento rin ang isa pang anak na lalaki ni Lotlot na si Diego Gutierrez, love you mama. At sinagot din agad ito ni Balot ng Diego Guts, love you anak. May ilan namang fanay na nagkomento sa naturang post na yon. She should have been declared a national artist while she was still alive. She definitely deserves that recognition even posthumously. My condolences to the whole family. What a loss for this country. Rest in paradise, Asia's Queen of Songs. Ay naman kay Ami Castillo, my deepest condolences at Miss Lotlot de Leon. Sobrang nakakatouch nga at nakakaiyak ang naging posting na yon ni Lotlot de Leon para sa kanyang Mamita Pilita Corrales na noon ay matagal din silang nagkasama. Nagkaroon man kamakailan sila ng hindi pagkakaunawaan pero naging maayos din naman ang lahat at naging smooth ang kanilang samahan. Rest in peace, Mamita Pilita Corrales at condolence sa buong pamilya. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.